So I'm Brandon Bradshaw, and I am a custom furniture maker here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So for me, furniture making has always been personal. I build all my furniture using traditional techniques. I was trained by a traditional furniture maker, lots of hand tools, a lot of vintage machinery, but I put a lot of time into restoring. But as it's evolved from a hobby into more of a business, I've had to learn to take on new aspects, things that are not really, normal to me. Like for one of those being social media, having to do YouTube, doing content creation. But the other is being open and receptive to modern technology. And that is where the X-Carve Pro CNC from Aventables just really came in and helped me. I've learned to use this machine not to replace anything I do, but as just another tool like any other tool in my shop to help me with my production, to speed up my production, and honestly do things that are at a higher level, higher quality than anything that I could use it for. So yeah, one of the things that I can recall that I've used it for, and I was so thankful for having it, is right now I'm actually building a very traditional shaker piece. This is a piece that was originally designed about 250 years ago. And so this is a piece that was originally built with all hand tools, just true craftsman. And this piece I'm replicating, it's got a lot of hand cut dovetails in the bottom apron. The whole main carcass is hand cut half blind dovetails. But I was able to use the X-Carve Pro to cut all the stop dados in the middle for the shelves. It cut all the rabbets on the back that's going to be for the tongue and groove backing. Things that I would have normally used a handheld router for, or I could have done it with a router plane or chisels, traditional techniques. But those are things that are really just tedious and I hate doing. And stop dados have always just been kind of complicated to get super accurate. And just as simply as plugging in a program into easel and just setting it up and telling the CNC to cut those dados. It was over there cutting all those dados for me and the rabbets while I was over hand planing my hand cut dovetails and getting those finished up. So something that would have really taken me about 2 days to do by hand, that machine did in about 20 minutes while I was doing other things that I needed to be doing to help finish this piece, help get this piece out to the customer at a quicker time. And honestly, those are so dead accurate. It was better than anything I could have done on my own. And so for me, learning to be receptive to new technology and how to invite it into my shop with this warm feel with all this vintage machinery, having this modern piece of technology in my shop to help me, it's been really cool and it's something really inviting.